Well, if you want to know the real value of the bodyweight exercises when it comes to muscle building, then you must try this challenge, as we are pushing the limits and increasing the intensity of the basic push-ups here.
All you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and clear my throat.
What's up everyone? So today's video would be going to be on a push-up challenge which you can try alone or with your friends to test out the strength and endurance of your push muscles. The push muscles are the shoulders, chest and the triceps. And the best part about this challenge is that it can be performed from a beginner level to the advanced level. I will be giving you the regressions and the progressions which you have to perform while doing this challenge. So a lot of people think that the bodyweight exercise won't help them to increase their muscle mass because they have never tried increasing the intensity and the tension provided into their muscles with the bodyweight exercises. So if you think like that, then I would suggest that you must try this workout, because here we are changing the intensity and the time under tension which we are providing into these push muscles. And by the end of this challenge, you will see some intense contraction and pump in your push muscles, that is the chest, triceps and the shoulder, and it will feel similar to the bench press which you are performing at the gym. So with this challenge, we will be taking less rest and providing more intensity and tension into our muscles, thus activating the metabolic stress over the region. So the metabolic stress is also a pathway for the muscular hypertrophy. So if we want to increase the muscular size, then this kind of intense workouts, intense challenges will be helpful for you. Now let's see how to go with this challenge and the rules of the challenge. So with this challenge, we will be following a workout pattern called as every minute on the minute. So every minute you will be performing 10 push-ups and then moving on to the next minute. So depending upon your strength, either you can perform the push-ups continuously or you can break it down and then perform it. But the sooner you finish the push-ups, the more rest you can take. So if you finish your push-ups in 15 seconds, then you can rest for the remaining 45 seconds till you start your 10 push-ups for the next minute. So like this, you have to continue till failure, till you are unable to perform a good push-ups with the proper form. Now depending upon your strength level, you can choose the different variations of the push-ups. So if you are at a beginner level, then you can go with the knee push-ups or incline push-ups while doing this challenge. If you are at an intermediate level, then you can perform the basic floor push-ups. And if you are at advanced level, then you can go for the decline push-ups or the typewriter push-ups while finishing this challenge. So let's see in short how to perform this challenge, and you also try it and push your maximum limits and see how far you can go with this challenge, and comment below your time. So if you are doing it for 10 minutes, that means you will be performing 100 push-ups in 10 minutes. If you are going about 30 minutes, then you will be covering 300 push-ups in 30 minutes. And if you are continuing it with for 1 hour, then you will be completing almost 600 push-ups in 1 hour. So push your limits and let me know how far you can go with this challenge. First round. Third round. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this challenge and let me know your experience in the comment below. And if you found this video valuable, then like the video, share with everyone who want to challenge their push-ups and want to know the real intensity of the bodyweight exercises, and subscribe to my channel for more such challenging workouts and nutritional advices. And if you wish to train with us, then check out TheSuppleStrength.com, where we provide evidence-based nutrition as well as workout coaching to enhance human performance. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, stay supple, stay strong.